Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO.com. First of all, I wish you all happy holidays. And that brings us to a topic today that you're going to see two people having a dialogue between father and daughter, and you're going to see how to ask what you want for Christmas and how to answer to the question. Let's get started.
크리스마스 선물로 뭐 갖고 싶니? 새로 나온 삼성폰이요. 알겠다. 열심히 공부해. 네, 감사합니다. Since this dialogue is taking place between father and daughter, so father is gonna speak in a casual speech, and the daughter will speak in a polite speech. Let's find out the direct meanings. 크리스마스, this is a romanization for Christmas. 선물, gift. 로 means by, or it could be interpreted as. Usually 로 is used after a syllable that ends with a vowel, but when the syllable ends with a R consonant, this is an exception. So you're going to still use 로 instead of 으로. 뭐 is what? 갓 is from a verb, 갖다 as dictionary form, to get. 고 싶 is want to. 니 is a verb ending in a casual way. The father could have said 싶어, but 싶니 sounds more friendly. What do you want to get as Christmas gift? It could be also interpreted as what do you want for Christmas? 새로, newly. 나온 is from a verb, 나오다 as dictionary form, to come out. By adding n underneath of o syllable, it becomes an adjective in a past tense. 삼성폰. Samsung is the brand Samsung. 폰 is the romanization for phone. Sometimes Korean people say 핸드폰 as well. 이요 is polite ending after noun that ends with a consonant. So this phrase translates to Samsung phone that newly came out. This could be interpreted as the latest Samsung phone. 알 is from a verb 알다 as dictionary form, to know. 겠다 means usually will in a future tense with determination, but you could interpret this as I got it. 열심히, hard, as an adverb. 공부해 is from a verb 공부하다 as dictionary form, to study. So this phrase translates to I got it, so study hard. It seems as though Korean parents tend to give gifts based on a condition that their children need to study harder when the children are in school. 네, yes, 감사합니다. It's from a verb 감사하다 as dictionary form, to thank. be underneath of 하 and 니다. This is making the verb more formal. You don't actually say be, you say am. 감사합니다. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 크리스마스 선물로 뭐 갖고 싶니? 새로 나온 삼성폰이요. 알겠다. 열심히 공부해. 네, 감사합니다.
If you like the content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any suggestions or thoughts about future videos, please feel free to comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye!